Beef Bulgogi Potstickers. I'll show you how to make them.
You want to gather your ingredients, and in a food processor, put onion, carrots, green onions, garlic, ginger, and pear, and pulse about 6 to 8 times. And then put all the vegetables in a big bowl, and it looks like that. And then add 1 pound of meat. I happen to have shaved ribeye on hand. I was going to make bulgogi, but look, it's shredded. I can't make bulgogi out of that. Well, I can, but it would be pasty, so I decided to make pot stickers today. So in with the meat and the vegetables, beef broth go, brown sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, of course, salt and pepper, and give that a really good mix. The spatula really didn't stir the shaved meat, so I had to get in there with my chopsticks and kind of pull the meat apart and give it a good stir. It took me about a minute or two to tease it in there, but you really want that marinade to saturate the meat and break down the fibers. And then I did a test batch for taste, and it looks like that. So you want to cover and marinate at least for 30 minutes, maybe 60 minutes, and then you want to shape and seal any way you want. I've got my pre-packaged Goiza wrappers, and this is my just baguette shape, where I press the outside edges after putting water on it. And this is a half moon shape, where I'm pressing the center, and I'm going to wet the outside, and I'm just going to draw in one side for a fold and the next side for a fold. Give it a good squeeze in the center, and then start pressing around the edges and sealing. You want to make sure that there's one side that's flat for frying, and then you want to press out any extra air so you don't have any explosions going on or any leaks. And it looks like that. Great for frying. So this is going to be a half moon shape, the easiest one, so you can put a little bit more filling in those. So you draw close the center, give it a good pinch, and squeeze the outside edges. And kind of make it like a crescent shape. And then give it a good seal and keep shaping it until you're satisfied, and it looks like that, ready for frying. So I'm also, other than frying, I'm going to steam some today. So I'm wetting the outside edges like I did the others, starting making my half moon shape, giving the outside edges a good squeeze to seal, pressing out the extra air, and then I'm going to turn it, wet the outside corners, and start to draw those corners in together to press together. And you can see how I shape the rosebud shape. Those extra crevices are going to hold in steam for flavor and moisture. And there you go, ready for steaming. There's a pan ready for frying. You see how busy I was. And then here we go, we're gonna steam. And that's what they look like when they're done. They only take 10 minutes. Wonderful. So cold pan, 1 tablespoon of oil. That makes it easy when you put all the pot stickers in there so you don't burn your fingers. So turn the heat to medium, and you're going to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes till golden brown. You can see that. And then turn the heat down, add water, and you'll steam for 6 minutes. Make sure you put the lid on. And then when you uncover it, you want to fry it a little bit longer to crisp it up. Crispy side up when you serve. Otherwise, it can get soggy if you flip them down. And there you go. Tastes so much better than store-bought frozen. You can put anything you want on top. Just a suggestion, some hot sauce. We have some Thai sweet chili sauce. Sesame seeds are great. You definitely want to go with that with Korean garnish. And then I even put General Tso sauce on some. It's so delicious. And there's the dipping sauce recipe suggestion for the fried. Thank you so much for watching this today. I hope you try it. Have a great day and see you next time. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.